Hello YouTube, this is the Intel computer stick. I built a custom kernel under Ubuntu 16.4.3 AMD 64-bit that support pushing audio through HDMI and Wi-Fi enabled for SDR for RTL TCP and running GQRX very smoothly. Just plug and play. This is a custom kernel for running smoothly GQRX and audio output through HDMI. This is a stick model STCK1A32 Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra with a DC input 5V 2 ampere DC and 2 GB of RAM DDR3 and this process Intel Atom 1.83 GHz and 2 MB of cache, but it's come with the stock pre-installed Windows 10 OS, but it's very slow speed and in default Windows 10 OS. So I built this custom kernel under Ubuntu, and we right now just plug and play, and I let you see right now how to running GQRX very smoothly in this Intel stick. Okay, right now hooking this stick with HDMI for LCD screen, and plug the source, power source, 5V DC, and plug the USB hub, and right now putting mini SDR. Okay, right now power all this up.
Updating location.
Starting GQRX. As you can see, the GQRX running on Intel computer stick very smoothly, as you can see. I'm Mr. Camper. Thanks you for watching. Bye bye.